Welcome back. You are now in the Google Docs dashboard, and what we're going to do is we're going to take all of the things that we have learned about collaboration and apply them to a spreadsheet. And can do that by going to this left side menu and opening up Google Sheets. That will open into a different side of Google Docs where you can actually work with spreadsheets. We're going to then open a blank spreadsheet. And then what we're going to do is we're going to import a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into this Google Doc. And we can do that by going to the File area. We can then click Open. We'll then click Upload. And then we'll select a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel from our hard drive. And when we find the document, we'll just click Open. And Google Docs will then open this document into its editing screen. And we can actually begin to work with this document where it is. Now, all of the collaboration tools apply just as they did with the word processing document. We can actually share with someone. We can also work with someone in a chat. Now, in this particular case, we do not have the Uber Conference application to work inside of our spreadsheet. So our collaboration will take place inside of this chat application. However, once all of the edits and collaborations are complete, you can go to the File menu. You can then download this document as a Microsoft Excel document. So you can resave it as the same form as which you imported the document. You can also save it as a CSV file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.